But here, there's one trick that can take half a lifetime to get to grips with. Louis's mother, Lisa, has learnt how to make tools from sticks to winkle out insects. The orangutans living here are the only ones in the world to have discovered this skill. Louis must try and learn it too, but it may be another 8 years before he's as good as his mother. This long education has made orangutans particularly vulnerable to changes taking place in their forest. It's now estimated that we lose 100 orangutans every week from human activity. Louis and Eden's generation could be the last wild orangutan. When Pluto was their age, his jungle home stretched to the horizon.